Now in the next verse of Surah Al Baqarah, Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala states, وَقَالَتِ الْيَهُودُ لَيْسَتِ النَّصَارَى عَلَى شَيْءٍ وَقَالَتِ النَّصَارَى لَيْسَتِ الْيَهُودُ عَلَى شَيْءٍ وَهُمْ يَتْلُونَ الْكِتَابَ كَذَلِكَ قَالَ الَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ مِثْلَ قَوْلِهِمْ فَاللَّهُ يَحْكُمُ بَيْنَهُمْ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ فِيمَا كَانُوا فِيهِ يَخْتَلِفُونَ فِيمَا كَانُوا فِيهِ يَخْتَلِفُونَ. And the Jews said, the religion of Christians is nothing. The Christians said, the religion of Jews is nothing. Yet they both read the book likewise. Likewise, the illiterate mushrikeen speak the same as them. Thus, on the day of judgment, Allah will decide between them on the matter on which they differ. Imam Ibn Jarir narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, when the Christians of Najran attended the blessed court of the noble messenger, peace be upon him, the Jews also came and started arguing with each other in front of the noble messenger, peace be upon him. Rafi bin Ramla, a Jew, said to the Christians, your religion is not the true religion. He then moved on to further deny the prophethood of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam and also disbelieved in the book of Injil. Then a member of Christians said to the Jews, your religion is not the true religion. He then moved on to deny the prophethood of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam and they also disbelieved the divine book of Torah. And it was then that this blessed verse of the Holy Quran was revealed. Qatada states that the previous Christians were on the correct religion, but later on they created innovations. They were engaged in innovations in their religion and they were then divided into sects. Sectarianism. Likewise, the previous Jews were also on the correct religion, but later on they also created innovations in their religion and then they were divided into sects as well. Sectarianism. So on the day of judgment, Allah will render His supreme judgment on their issue and the truth shall prevail over the false. The ones on the right path shall be rewarded, while the ones on the wrong path shall face punishments. As per a blessed hadith of the noble messenger, peace be upon him, recorded in the blessed Tirmidhi Sharif, Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu says that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated that the Jews got divided into 71 or 72 sects. Likewise, the Christians get divided, whereas my ummah shall get divided into 73 sects. And as per the narration of Hazrat Ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated that except the sect of Millat in my ummah, all rest sects shall enter hell. The blessed companions, may Allah be pleased with them, of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, they asked and they humbly inquired before the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, O Prophet of Allah, what is millat? The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated that it is that on which me and my companions are. Therefore, Ahlul Sunnah, the ones who follow the path of Allah, who follow the word of Allah, who follow the path of the noble messenger, peace be upon him, and the path of the blessed companions, the ashab of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. My Pir Murshid, my father, my access, my spiritual guide, Sayyidi Shaykh Ahmad Mohsin Munawar Yousafi, he states that as per a blessed hadith recorded in Sunan Abu Dawud Sharif, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is reported to have stated that soon there shall be 73 sects in my ummah, of whom 72 sects shall go into hell, while only one sect shall enter paradise. And that is the ones who follow the word of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, the divine word of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, who follow the path of the noble messenger, the honorable messenger, the most distinguished, the unrivaled, the unparalleled, the unprecedented, a beacon of hope, a bearer of glad tidings, a beacon of virtue, forgiveness and tolerance, an omen of love. The last Prophet of Allah, the beloved of Allah, the beloved of all, the warmer of hearts, the coolest to eyes, the Holy Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the path of his blessed companions. May Allah be pleased with all of them. Same lecture in Urdu. Please click on the link available below in the description.